agency-specific customizable fields to track which of your recruitment efforts are most effective. Go to Setup, followed by System Setup, and select Agency-Specific Customizable Fields. Use the Family Member tab to create and associate fields to the family. Determine the fields you wish to use. We chose to add a custom drop-down field. Enter a description for your field type and determine the screen placement and whether or not your field should appear on the printed application. Once done, press Save and Close. To add choices, go to Setup, followed by System Setup, and select Custom drop-down choices. Locate your new field by location and name. Add all of the choices you would like to include for your new field, and when the list is complete, press Save and Close. To view your newly added field, click on the Services tab and locate a participant. Open the Application module and go to the last section, Agency Specific Information. Here, you're now able to track the recruitment information for each family. To view this data for multiple participants, run Report 2195 Child and Family Member Agency Specific Fields. Be on the lookout for the next #CPSmart video.